coming in, the Kerala governor has taken a dig at the ruling LDF government, saying those who criticize Guru Puja and Bharat Mata are pretending to be Sabrimala devotees. The governor said that if these people have such sanctity, principles and bhava in their minds, they should come out openly and say so. Why is this being done? Is it only for political convenience? That's a statement coming in from the Kerala governor. My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arpita, sharp dig being taken by the governor. We're seeing another government versus governor face-off playing out. Take us through the details of what the governor has said. This comes amid the Kerala government, or the Chief Minister himself also participating in the global IFI event.
About the Global IFI Summit, since then there have been a lot of controversies. BJP has been hitting out at the LDF government, saying that this is just a political tactics ahead of assembly elections. And now even the governor has come out assembly elections. And now even the governor has come out hitting out, saying that those who are against Guru Puja and Bharat Mata, they are pretending to be Sabrimala devotees, is what the governor has said. In fact, remember earlier in the past there have been a lot of tussle between the governor and government over Bharat Mata portrait, where LDF government, Pinarayi government had time and again said that they do not want Bharat Mata's portrait in any of the official events, because Bharat Mata is a picture that is associated, the picture that they were using is associated with RSS, is what the government have been saying. So this, all of this comes amid these row. Now governor has clearly said, hitting out at the LDF government, that this is just a show off. This is just, they are just trying to pretend that they are devotees of Sabrimala.
Okay, all right. Arpita, thank you for joining us.